Come test drive the 2020 Arteon. The Volkswagen Arteon offers plenty of convenience and functionality by utilizing 4 doors and a hatchback. A comfortable ride, plenty of high-quality finishes, and the overall utility of this vehicle makes it one you'll want to take a look at, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, power moonroof, 4-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.